So you click this video. Great. So this is going to be the first video in a series I'm going to be doing on trading options. I'm creating this series because, quite frankly, I've seen a lot of people talk about options and they never talk about what really matters, in my opinion. And I thought I'd do that here. So I'll be covering a lot of lessons that are relevant and important, in my opinion, for traders of all levels to understand. So just a brief introduction if you don't know me. I've been trading options around 5 to 6, well, more like 6 to 7 years now. And I've been doing this more or less as my full-time job during this period. I started with my own small little account of, I guess it was around $20,000, and I slowly built it up to $40,000. I blew up my account, and then I just went back and forth until I finally been really successful in the last couple of years. Now I manage a portfolio, a large account that I trade with portfolio margin. So a few things to keep in mind before we start. This course isn't going to be like a very well edited or professional course. There's not going to be any fancy graphics or anything like that. It's just going to be for the content. Maybe I'll create a course later on and link it below or in like a card or something. But for now, it's just going to be the content. And yeah. And this course, I'm going to try to not use any of the technical language and try to keep it more simple. So people of all levels and anyone who's considering trading options but hasn't done so already can benefit from this course. And we'll be covering a lot of the core mistakes that hold a lot of options traders back, in my opinion, and what held me back and a lot of the hard lessons I've learned over the last 6 to 7 years trading options. Be aware this course is really meant for people who have some experience trading options. If you don't have any experience trading options, I mean, you can watch it and learn from it. However, I won't be mentioning a lot of the basics that you might need to know when trading options. Like, for example, what is buying power? What is portfolio margin? What is regular margin? And like all the basics of options. I'll be covering more of the larger picture of trading options and what people need to know to become profitable when trading options. With that being said, let's move on. Click this video right over here, or maybe it's over here, and go to the next video in this series.